In every community, there are those who stand for justice. They are the ones who rise to challenges, protect the vulnerable, and work to create a safer, fairer world. Criminal justice is more than law enforcement. It's about advocacy, rehabilitation, and ensuring fairness.
I chose criminal justice because I wanted to be part of something bigger. In this program, I learned how to protect and serve, not just through enforcement, but by building trust in my community.
You could be a prosecutor seeking justice, a social worker supporting at-risk youth, or a forensic analyst solving the toughest cases.
I'm proud of what I do. Protecting my community isn't just my job, it's my purpose.
By pursuing a degree in criminal justice, you can be that change. This isn't just a career, it's a calling to make a real difference. A career in criminal justice starts with your education.
Our criminal justice program prepares students to face the complexities of today's world. From understanding the law to studying psychology and ethics, we teach you to approach every challenge with knowledge, integrity, and empathy.
Learn more about pursuing a degree in criminal justice. Visit www.colbycc.edu/criminaljustice or call 785-46-05530 to start your journey.